Okay. So she cranks, but she doesn't want to start. I can smell fuel. The problem is there's a lot of fuel, I think, with this thing. I'm going to pull out a spark plug here and have a look, because these plugs are getting gummed up really fast to the point where it won't even run. Let's see if that's what it is. There she goes. Yeah. Hello. What kind of a spark are you gonna get through that, chum? And I bet you they all look like that. That's what's happening. That, my friends, is what a dirty spark plug looks like. Smell a lot of gasoline, a lot of carbon buildup on there from this old engine. Worn rings, valve seals probably. Oh, see?
Yo lo compro.
That's wet and dirty. Okay, here's the spark plugs. They are all soaked from excessive gasoline and probably oil as well. I'm going to clean these and then the truck should fire right up. This weird tool is a spark plug cleaner. It's like a mini sandblaster, so if your spark plugs are gummed up but still not worn down, you can clean them up and use them again. Guys, I love this magnetic socket. Watch this, just boom, pops right in there. That's nice, and it's just a Duralast brand, but they did a good product. So I got 4 plugs to pop in. Yeah, I love that magnetic socket. It's way better than the rubber. Pops out easy. No issues there. Most spark plugs torque is 11 to 15 pounds. Just for a general rule, but look up your vehicle specifically. Uno más. Se acabó. Ok, préndalo. Okay, yeah. It needed a couple cranks to clear the cylinders of a little bit of, wow! A little bit of excess oil, and wow, that looks almost white. Is that fuel or what are we burning? Got water in there? That's crazy. Yeah, run! Oh, shoot. Yeah, call the fire department. Oh man. Well, that'll keep the mosquitoes out of the area, so that's good. Ay, ay, ay. Well, it's running. Sort of. Dude, that's insane. It'll clear up, it'll clear up. Look, it's clearing up already. Beautiful. Muy claro. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, we're good to go. This is our, we have a lower standard, okay? In this area here, guys, so. This is a good running vehicle. No, she's an oldie, but she's still putting along. We're on the move.
Andamos fumigando.
Sorry, school. Yeah. Oh man, we'll kill all the flies. Yep, kill the flies.
¡Eso, que se mueran los moscos!
Wow,
¡Estamos
people are
fumigando!
gonna love us. Oh. Yeah, okay. Apágalo. You're killing me. Shut her down. Apágalo, ¿sí? Apágalo. Muy bien. Okay.